Hello and welcome to a 2-minute presentation on my current project. Though this project is quite extensive in terms of the design and the research and the needs analysis given consideration to the various stakeholders, I'll only have time to present to you one of the objects. These objects will be similar for all of the classes for Physics 1200, approximately 30 in total. In addition, I'll be developing some online labs. But let's just take a look at one of the objects. So in essence, what we have for each of these flipped classroom model objects will be a lesson presentation video, learning activities and interactions, self-check quiz, and lesson feedback. So let's just start with the lesson presentation video. Each lesson starts with me presenting to the students the objectives from the PERS document. Throughout the presentation, I am able to focus the students' attention with panning features between text and diagrams to aid in explanation of various concepts. I also can provide worked solutions to the problems that we do in class. I also provide visual demonstrations for students to help them understand the key concepts. Next, let's take a look at the learning activities and interaction. The learning interactions provide students with instant feedback. There are interactive learning situations where students are walked through problems, given visualizations. Here's an interactive simulation where students will navigate a submarine to a certain depth, and then they can record data. In this case, they want to focus on the pressure at a certain depth. In this simulation, students record distances and times in various environments to calculate the time it takes for sound to travel given a certain temperature. Once students finish collecting their data, they can graph the information, choose a line of best fit, and interpret the slope. Given their slopes in the various environments, they can then calculate the temperatures in each environment, and ultimately they need to interpret if those temperatures make sense, and upon making a decision they'll choose yes or no, and they'll be directed to either start the process again or continue on to analyze the result. Concept simulations allow students to investigate variables to enhance their understanding of them. As well, I've integrated publishers' interactive learning problems that step students through a problem-solving process. Let's take a look at the self-check quiz. These self-check quizzes align themselves with the objectives of the lesson and provide students with instant feedback. In addition to that, they automatically report to the D2L gradebook, providing instructors with feedback on their classroom understanding. Our final section to look at is lesson feedback. The lesson feedback is an integral part of instructional design, providing analytics to each object, and they weigh the 3 sections of each object: the presentation, the interactions, and the self-check section. So in summary, these objects go from objective to presentation to activity and to assessment. So they have excellent curriculum alignment, and they provide analytics on how the learners are appreciating or experiencing the online learning. In addition to that, the students get instant feedback, and instructors have a very high frequency of observing student achievement and success in understanding each one of their classes. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.